Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover WhatsApp deleted photos or WhatsApp deleted photos recovery or recover deleted photos from WhatsApp. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. When you mistakenly or lost your WhatsApp photos or WhatsApp messages or WhatsApp conversation, but in this way you can easily recover your deleted WhatsApp photos. And in this here, me and my friends all conversation, WhatsApp photos, WhatsApp videos or WhatsApp messages. Sometimes we mistakenly or unconsciously lose or delete our WhatsApp messages or WhatsApp photos. But remember, in this time you can easily recover or restore all deleted WhatsApp photos or images. So let's see how to do that. Minimize it and go to your file manager. After that, open file manager. After that, open it, and in this we can search WhatsApp. After that, you can see WhatsApp images, WhatsApp. So first of all, you can open WhatsApp images, and in this you can see WhatsApp deleted photos recover or restore in this here. After that, go back, scroll down, and in this I can see WhatsApp deleted videos. After that, I can see WhatsApp deleted images or WhatsApp deleted photos recover or restore in this here. So in this time I can choose and select some WhatsApp photos. After that, choose send, and in this time you can easily share your recover deleted WhatsApp photos or images anyone. And in this way you can easily recover deleted WhatsApp photos or WhatsApp deleted photos recovery or recover deleted photos from WhatsApp. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.